Good morning, children. I hope all are doing good. Okay. Class 1, Semester 1. I will explain mathematics. Class 1, Semester 1. Fourth lesson, Comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers. This is the part 2. In our previous class, I will explain about the symbols. Less than, greater than, equal to. Less than, greater than, equal to. Less than are used smallest number, greater than are used biggest number, and equal to used both the same numbers. Our next topic was ascending order, deciding order. Ascending order and deciding order. Ascending order means biggest to smallest, arranging the numbers biggest to smallest. So in this situation use the less than. In this situation use the less than. Which one is used? Less than. Which one is used? Less than. So ascending order means biggest to smallest. In this situation use the less than symbol. So I will give you the examples. Take the numbers 45, 62, 33, 27 and 5. So use the numbers to arrange the order of ascending order in a smallest to biggest. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. So in this number which one is smallest? 5 is the smallest number. So first one write the 5. Use the symbol less than. Next one 13. Write the 13 less than 27 less than 45 less than 62. Once again I will repeat you. Take the numbers, write the ascending order. Ascending order means the smallest to biggest. Use the symbol less than. So in this number which one is the smallest number? 5. So 5 less than 13 less than, after 27 less than 45 less than 62. This is called order of ascending order. Next one, deciding order. So next one is the deciding order. Deciding order means biggest to smallest. Deciding order means biggest to smallest. In this situation use the greater than. In this situation use the greater than. In this situation use the symbol greater than. Okay. Take the examples. Number 18, 31, 63, 2 and 7. So take these numbers arising deciding order. Deciding order means biggest to smallest. Use the greater than. So which one is the biggest number? 63. So first write the 63. Use the greater than. After biggest number is the 31. Greater than. After biggest number 18. Greater than 7. Greater than 2. Write the 2. Okay. Once again I will repeat you. Deciding order. Deciding order means biggest to smallest. Use the symbol of greater than. So take the numbers 18, 31, 63, 2 and 7. So in this situation arrange the numbers biggest to smallest. Use the greater than. So in this numbers which one is the greater one? 63. 63 greater than 31 greater than 18 greater than 7 greater than 2. So this is the order of deciding order. Come to our lesson, fourth lesson, comparison of numbers, video part 2, exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2. So first one, arranging the following numbers in ascending order. Arranging the following numbers in ascending order. So what is the first one? 19, 15 and 2. 19, 15 and 2. So ascending order means what? Ascending order means what? Smallest to biggest. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. So in this numbers which one is the smallest? 2. So first write the 2. In this situation use the which symbol? Less than. So less than. Next after smallest number is the 15. So write the 15 less than, after then 19. Okay, it is the order of these numbers of ascending order. 2 less than, 15 less than, 19. Next, arranging the following numbers in deciding order. Arranging the following numbers in deciding order. Deciding numbers means what? Biggest to smallest. Deciding numbers means biggest to smallest. Use the symbol greater than. Use the symbol greater than. So take the first one 5, 12 and 11. 5, 12 and 11. Which one is the biggest number in this numbers? 12. So first write the 12. Use the symbol greater than. Next biggest number is the 11. So write the 11 greater than. Next after 5. So write the 5. It is the order, descending order. Biggest to smallest, use the greater than. Okay. So all the children, I hope all are understanding these topics. How to solve the problems. Use the less than, greater than, equal to, ascending order, descending order. Once again I will repeat you. Ascending order means smallest to biggest, use the symbol of less than. And descending order means biggest to smallest, use the symbol of greater than. So follow the topics and solve the exercise 4.2. I hope all are understanding these topics. Thank you so much. This topic is completed.